Before there was sound, before there was light, there was only silence. Then a divine command was given, a word that shattered the void, Allah's word. And from that word, existence began to breathe. Matter unfolded. Space stretched. Time itself began to flow. The universe was not born finished. It began expanding. Every second, new stars ignite, new galaxies drift apart, new horizons are written into being. But pause for a moment and ask yourself, how could a man in 7th century Arabia, without telescope, without theory, without even a word for universe, describe a cosmos that never stops expanding? Allah said, "And the heaven we built with might, and we are indeed expanding it." The Arabic word meaning expanding carries a meaning both simple and profound. It doesn't say, "we expanded," as if it ended. It says, "we are expanding," continuous, present, alive. At a time when people imagined the sky as a ceiling of stone or metal, the Qur'an spoke of a living cosmos, stretching, widening, endlessly in motion. More than 1,000 years later, in 1929, a scholar named Edwin Hubble pointed his telescope to the heavens. He saw galaxies drifting away, their light stretched toward red, a signature of motion. The farther they were, the faster they fled. The universe itself was growing, exactly as that ancient Qur'an verse had declared. Even Einstein had resisted it. His own equations whispered of expansion, but it felt unthinkable. So he added a constant to hold the universe still. When Hubble's discovery proved the expansion, Einstein called that constant the greatest blunder of my life. He had tried to correct the universe, but the universe corrected him. The Qur'an never needed correction. It had already said, with timeless clarity, we are expanding it. So, how could such words exist in a world without science? How could the Prophet ﷺ, unlettered, surrounded by desert, speak with such precision about the very heartbeat of creation? Was it coincidence? Or was it revelation from the one who created what the mind would only later discover? Today, physicists describe the universe as a fabric space-time itself stretching and expanding. Galaxies don't fly through space. Space itself grows between them. Every second, billions of kilometers of new universe come into being. And that same Arabic verb meaning expanding captures this exact motion. Expansion as a living, continuous act. This isn't poetic exaggeration. It's precision wrapped in beauty. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. And now, 14 centuries later, telescopes named Hubble and James Webb stare deep into the past, fulfilling that divine promise. Every galaxy they capture is not just an image, it's an ayah, a sign. Every glowing nebula whispers, the heavens are still unfolding. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and thought it was still? It isn't. Our galaxy rushes through space at nearly 2 million kilometers per hour. You stand upon a spinning planet that orbits a sun racing through an expanding void, and yet you feel nothing. Your senses are silent, but revelation spoke. It told humanity what no eye could see, what no instrument could detect. Science continues to ask how the expansion began. Dark energy, equations, constants. The Quran reminds us who began it. The same power that stretches galaxies also stretches the moments of your life. The expansion of the universe mirrors the expansion of the soul. Every act of reflection, every discovery, every sincere question widens your inner cosmos. And the heaven we built with might, and we are expanding it. Science describes how the heavens expand. The Qur'an reveals why. A book from the 7th century, still unfolding with the universe it revealed. The Qur'an, a universe written in words. Don't keep this to yourself. Teach it to someone. That's how guidance multiplies. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos to discover Islam.